Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're going down to Great Falls, Montana, and we're going to check out Halftime Sports Bar and get some nice Mexican food. First up, I'm going to make a drink. This is called a Blueberry Bramble. So I'm just going to use one of my tiki mugs today. It's just like a little coconut from Trader Vic's, and we're just going to mix it over ice. So we got 1 ounce of lemon juice, a teaspoon of lime juice, and a ½ ounce of, I have Rose's blueberry syrup. This is actually a new product. And 1 3/4 ounces of gin. And we'll just give that a little stir. And that's my Blueberry Bramble. Coming up next, we're going to Great Falls, Montana. And you're not coming, Mookie. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.